central console. Keep things like, got tackle box for lures, weights, some poppers, some fish minnow jigs, various weights, some elastic, which is good, tie on a bit of mackerel rather than it just being all skanky at the bottom of the hook, tie it around, getting it nice and secure. We've got some sand eel replicas. Now these are pretty good, but they've got a habit of kind of bending round on themselves and getting the hook caught to the tail, and then when you feel like you're pulling something out, doesn't feel right, it's because that's all snarled up, and obviously fish don't like the look of that. I found that these weedless are the best. See there, squid had a bit of a go on that. He chomps out of that, thank you. So I got that in that one. In this one, got beads, hooks, some smaller weights, some sliding traces, some little clips, etc. This is where I keep some of the feathers, also some more sliding weights. These are really good just for trolling, just like slow trolling for flatfish, plaice, etc. Some forceps. These aren't fishing forceps, they're just something I had in my toolbox, keep them all up and they're alright. Fishing knife, which is just a standard fishing knife. Don't go too crazy because these are easy to lose. I need to leave it all really. Some extra wire, waterproof phone case, essential, some super glue. I'll come on to that later. Super glue, that is vital when fishing kayak fishing, vital. Little scissors, definitely not Tommy Tippy ones. And then in here I've got more feathers, jigs, some little shrimp, yeah, some bits and bobs. So keep all of that stuff in there. Nice and accessible. Anything easy on this kayak. So because of their size of this kayak, you want it something quite small.